So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 30th of March till the 5th of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. So, let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Pisces. Wow. जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वहीं चले आते हो चोरी चोरी मेरे दिल में समाते हो. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you. We have the Eight of Swords. This is somebody who is feeling like they are stuck in a mental jail, and no matter how hard they are trying to get out of that jail and feel positive about the situation, they are not able to. They are feeling mentally stuck in the situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords as their feelings. So we have the Nine of Swords and the King of Cups and the Two of Wands. Yes, this person is losing sleep over the situation. They still have feelings, they still care, and they're looking forward to, have a peaceful kind of energy. They feel like having peace in their life that they're not able to get at all. Because they still feel the connection, they still care, they still feel this bond between you and them, but it is stressing the hell out of them because they're not able to understand what they should do about it. And they're looking forward to have some kind of solution of the situation between you and them. Okay, so there's something troublesome going on, or at least they're feeling like there's something troublesome in the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Three of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like keeping a sense of collaboration, partnership, especially if it is related to some kind of work related situation where it includes romance also. You feel like keeping things cordial, like two mature adults. And you might be feeling like, okay, taking help from someone in order to maintain the peace in the situation. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. You feel like keeping your uncomfortable feelings and energies to yourself. You feel like watching this person from a distance, keeping yourself at a safe distance, and enjoying your freedom, enjoying your individuality. Meanwhile, trying to keep this situation as cordial, as grounded as you can from your side. This is what you feel. You feel like you should not restrict your own life, you should not stop your own life because of things not going the way they should in a particular dynamics. Although you are feeling like you should keep things cordial, but you feel like you should keep your individuality and your life going on, even if things are not like going the way they should in this dynamics. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? What this person wants from you, sorry. What this person wants from you, what are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Page of Cups. This person wants to open up to you in a genuine way. This person wants to open up, they want to express their feelings, they want to say something. The problem here is that their emotions are not sorted. They're not in a straight or mature kind of a way. They're all over the place. But they want to express their feelings and let it all come out. Let's clarify the Page of Cups as their intentions. Maybe they want to apologize to you for something if they did something wrong here. Not in a very strong way, like, oh my god, I'm sorry, forgive me and all that. Like, yeah, I'm sorry, I fucked up, like that. Casual. So we have this Justice and the King of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Yes, because they're feeling left out in the cold. They want to do the right thing by being sensible here, by trying to come forward towards you with a genuine energy, so that they will be able to come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. They will be able to get out of the losses that they're feeling because of this situation not working out the way it should. There's a lot of tension between you guys. They are feeling the tension more than you. The roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind. So one of you is feeling the tension and the stress in the situation more than the other person here, and the one who is feeling it more is they want to try to keep things balanced, to make things at least uh, cordial, so that it's going to be a mature and grounded kind of energy between you guys, so that they can get out of their feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Three of Cups. You know, you just want to keep things light-hearted and cordial and friendly. Okay, they want to do the justice with you. They want to make things very stable and mature and grounded, but they don't know how to do that. But they want to genuinely do that, right? So that they can come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. And you want a cordial, light-hearted, and friendly kind of connection. You showed this in your feelings as well. Let's clarify the Three of Cups as your intentions here. We have the Eight of Wands, the Magician, and the Two of Pentacles. Yes, you know, you don't want to like close the gates of communication or make their life miserable or something like that. You don't want that, but you definitely want to manifest a stable kind of bond, a stable, cordial kind of bond between you and this person. You don't want any kind of unstable on and off, in and out kind of energies. Even if it is going to be like you guys are going to remain friends for the rest of your life, you want it in a mature and cordial way, light-hearted way. You don't want to create that dramatic and painful and revengeful and hateful kind of energies at all in their life or yours. So you want to manifest stability in a bond so that you guys can be at peace, both of you, and this on and off, in and out energy is gone. Okay, so you want to handle the situation with a lot of maturity. Light-hearted bond is also maturity when the intention is this much pure. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 5th of April 2026, Pisces. Oh god, oh god. No, it's Tower. It's the Tower that went down. So you guys are going to have a Tower moment, sudden realization, sudden unexpected energies coming out. Let's clarify the Tower for you guys as the potential outcome, honey, Pisces. So we have the Six of Wands and the High Priestess and the Queen of Swords. You know, you guys are going to suddenly feel that you are winning. That you are winning, but you are going to keep your calm. You guys are going to keep yourself detached from the idea of connecting or reconnecting with this person. You guys are giving them the benefit of the doubt, I guess. That's why you guys are still keeping the gate open for them, doors open for them to at least have a cordial relationship, if not a full-fledged romantic relationship. So you guys are going to feel suddenly you guys are going to feel like you're winning the situation, whatever it means in your scenario. I really don't know what it is, but you know better than me because you are going through this. I'm just reading the cards. So Pisces, you guys are going to feel like you are going to get more attention. You are going to get more messages, more calls, or more attention from people around you, especially the one that might not be talking to you, that might be ignoring you or something. So you guys are going to feel like you're winning, but you guys are going to keep yourself detached and grounded because you might be losing interest in this person. You might not be that much interested in this particular person or situation anymore, because at some point of time you wanted that person, that situation, this person, this situation in your life at any cost. Now you're like, if they are coming, good, I might be a friend with them. If they're not coming, very good, I am just moving forward, I'm doing my own thing, I'm winning. Anyways, it's a win-win situation for me, so I don't care if they're coming or not, if they are showing up in the right way or not. So you are suddenly out of the blue, somebody will start giving you the kind of attention or kind of messages or communication that you wanted, but now you are not interested, because now you are kind of, you have outgrown this situation. That's why throughout the reading, you guys are telling me, I want to keep it cordial, I want to keep it friendly, but nothing more than that. I might not be ready for that. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Pisces. So we have the Seven of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Three of Cups. You know, when it comes to this particular collaboration, partnership, or whatever it represents to you in your scenario, in your situation, stick to the reality and the truth of the situation. Don't act out of ego only. Don't act out of this energy of, okay, I'm going to show them who I am. You might be acting from defensiveness. Your ego might be hurt by something that happened or that they did with you. If you are asking for this, just keeping friendly things between you and them out of ego, out of pain, then you are not going to win. You are going to lose for sure. And if you are doing this with proper clarity and understanding of what this situation, what this connection represents to you on a deeper level, then you're good to go. So no matter what is happening, stick to the reality and the truth of your own heart. Okay, if you are doing it to play games with them so that you can teach them a lesson, you are going to get hurt at the end of the day, because you might end up losing this person by the games you're playing. But if it is coming out of clarity and understanding of how this is how it should be, because I don't want to be with this person in that manner anymore, then it's fine. You are good to go. Then you have every right to protect yourself from being in that kind of bond or connection where you don't want anything more than a friendship kind of a deal or cordial kind of connection. But you guys understood the assignment, right? At least don't lie to yourself. At least be very, very honest with yourself regarding the situation. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. If you're not going to get a proper yes or no, you can take that situation, take the answer as the guidance for that particular situation, question of yours. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. This is choose a new direction. Let me read. Okay, this card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you're going and making sure you're making the right choice. Best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep on pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. That's the answer. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.